Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Samsung phone automatically switching to silent mode on any Samsung phone. Now to fix this issue, just open your control center. Now if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your smartphone, just disable Do Not Disturb mode. Then go to your home screen and open settings. Now just tap on notifications and select Do Not Disturb. Now, if there is any schedule enabled for Do Not Disturb mode, just disable these schedules. After that, just go back and go to Modes and Routines. Now just check if there is any mode or routine which enables Do Not Disturb mode. Now, if there is any mode or routine which enables Do Not Disturb mode, just turn it off from here. Now just go back and go to Software Update. Now just check if there is any software update available for your smartphone. If there is any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. As you can see, our smartphone software is up to date. After that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. To do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Then select Restart. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix Samsung phone automatically switching to silent mode on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.